Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look using an older palette. This is the BH Cosmetics and Carlibybel palette. This is the first one that she came out with. I know she has a second palette and I don't have that one, but I remember I used to love this palette. As you can see, I've hit pan on multiple shades and I actually do have a backup also. And I just haven't used it for a while. It just kind of got lost like everything else. So I wanted to break it out and create something easy for you guys. So if you have this palette and you like this look and you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching. So going in with this shade right here, I'm going to pack this onto my brow bone. The next shade we're going to go in with is going to be this one right here. I'm going to start blending this into my upper crease. Now I want this a little darker, so I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm also going to add this onto my crease. But I'm not bringing it as high as the first color. I just want it to blend down. So going in with the smaller blending brush, I'm just going to add this into my outer crease. I'm also bringing this eyeshadow out a little bit. I don't really like the matte that's going on my brow bone, so I'm just going to go in with this color right here and pack that onto my brow bone and my inner tear duct. Now taking this color right here, I'm going to pop this in the center of my lids. And I'm just going to press this product in. I'm going to take these two colors right here, and I'm using my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to start working on my lower lash line and just blending this all the way out. Now just taking a very small amount of the shade right here, I'm just going to pop this into the center of my lower lash line. Just right here. I lined my eyes with my Wet n Wild's Mega Liner. I lined my waterline with MAC's Smolder. And for my mascara, I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And for my lashes, I went in with my Salon Perfects in 6/14. And for my highlighter, I think I'm gonna go with this color first. I think I'm gonna add a very small amount of this as well. I like that a lot more. So for my blush, I'm going to use the Milani number 5, which is the Luminoso. And I'm just going to pop this onto the apples of my cheek. So for lips, I'm going to line and fill in my lips with MAC's Whirl. I'm going to add a little bit of my Glossbomb in Fussy. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.